Hello guys, welcome to IT Designers. Today is our second video on Node.js tutorial on Node.js course. Today we are going to learn what we should learn before starting Node.js. As we know that Node.js is an environment of JavaScript. So we have to learn basics of JavaScript before starting Node.js. Now we are going to start how to download Node.js in your computer or PC or laptop. First of all, open any browser of your choice. Then write here Node.js download. After typing this, go to first website download Node.js, nodejs.org. Go on this site and download. We can download here current version and also LTS version. LTS version is compatible with many devices, so we are going to download LTS version. We can download according to our operating system. I have Windows, so I am going to install it. Let's see, it is downloading. Wait, it is downloading. After downloading, you have to install it. It is just completing. Now it is completed. Now go to downloads and here is Node. Now after clicking it and install, you will be able to install it. I have already installed, so I am not going to install it again. Now I am going to open CMD. If we want to check if Node.js has installed or not, you have to open CMD and write node/version. It will show you the version of your node. If it doesn't show this, then there is a problem. You need to download and install again. Thanks for watching. In next video we will start coding in Node.js and how to set it in Visual Studio Code. Because now we have downloaded Node.js, in next video we will code in Visual Studio. Thanks for watching.